Hi, so my name is Maren Berg Grimstad. I am a grad student at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, and I work with linguistics. More specifically, I'm working on language mixing and how to formally model word internal language mixing, as it is called. Okay, so I can tell you a little bit about the language situation in Norway and in Norwegian schools. So what we do is that we learn Norwegian from the start, and that's how we learn to read and write. We also learn English already from the first grade, but it's a second language, and it's taught like 2 or 3 hours a week. So this goes on all the way through the school system and then even into university, and that's what I think is important, because I remember starting as an undergrad myself in university, and learning a new topic that you didn't have in high school. It's difficult to learn the vocabulary and getting to grips with difficult concepts. And I think that the fact that I got to do that in my own mother language was very important. And even though Norwegian kids actually have a very high proficiency level of English, it's still, at least it was to me, a big difference when I had to discuss something in English in class as opposed to getting to do so in Norwegian. And I think especially as undergrads that's important, because you don't have the foundation. As you go further, I'm now in grad school, and now I think it's important, because you still need to consider that English is the lingua franca in academics, and I do now write my thesis in English, and I feel that I'm capable to, even though I did my undergrad mostly in Norwegian. So I don't think there's an either-or situation here. I think they can complement each other, and then I think that's a good way to go about it.